Hello, and to continue on our real estate education 101 ways to massively increase the value of your real estate without spending much money. Hi, I'm Ria, and we're on to number 17. Number 17 is replace carpets. So not all carpets can be stretched or can be cleaned. When it's time to change it because it's worn out, it's damaged, then it's more important to just replace it. For me personally, I don't replace carpet. I usually take them out and either I use the hardwood floor that's underneath there or I replace it with the luxury vinyl tile flooring which we have right now because number one, it's water resistant. Number two, it's easy to maintain, it's easy to clean when you have a move out. And number three, it's relatively quick. And number four, it's not that expensive. So I hope you learned something. Take care and God bless.